Hello guys. Okay. Yan. Maglalaro tayo ng Roblox. Pupunta ako sa friend kong named Lily. So, ayan. Ayan. Nandito na ako sa spawn. Tapos, maglalaro tayo para lang makakuha ng friends. Ayan. Nandito na yung friend ko. Ayan po. Hi guys. Hey. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging, guys. Okay, and today we will get friends. Bro Kevin. Bro Kevin is so fun for me. Yes, he's it. And we will play it. And we will get friends later. And I want my friend is look like my twin toe. But I can't because she's crying, guys. She's crying. I'm happy my friend's here, guys. And today we will get a new language. More. Okay, here we go. Arabic. Let's go. Nah, bro, just go out. Okay, and here we go. There. Yep, guys, ugly. Jokey, wanna be. I want to get Tagalog. Let's Tagalog now. Okay, yan. La. Ayan. Hindi ko na choose Arabic eh. Language, English. Ayan. So, ayan. Napindot ko yung 1. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pinost ko nagtaan. So, yan. Kukuha tayo ng friends. Kaso nga lang, ayaw. Kasi yung friend ko papansin dito. Ayan. Papansin na eh. Kanina, sinabi niya sa akin. Tapos, ayan. Naggugulo siya. Ay, no. Kukunin ko to ng revenge mamaya. Ayan. Wanna be friends, guys? Kakarma ko to. Wait lang. Karma ko lang to. Ayan. Kakarma kita. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ito na. Malapit na. Malapit na. Karma. Panis. Naglib yan. Maglilib yan kasi iyak ka. Joke lang. Ayan, tumawa ako sa kanya. So, yan lang. And bye-bye, guys. One subscriber. Bye, guys.